On today's episode, we are featuring STL Fresh Basil. And joining me today is the founder and CEO, Vanessa Cooksey.
I started Vested Urban Farms in 2019. I was actually inspired by the passing of my father. He died from pancreatic cancer when I was in college, and I really started to think about how the food we eat impacts our health. And in partnership with the Urban League, there's a greenhouse, and we moved from the residential business into the commercial business.
Well, I can't wait to taste it.
I'm excited for you to try it.
Pop one open here. Oh, it smells so good. I just see some really actually very large leaves in here.
Yes.
They're very large leaves.
We grow plenty of basil and we want to share it with your customers. So only leaves in our packaging.
It's very good. I get a little bit of mild pepper in there, but so fresh, so fragrant, so tasty. I mean, it's fantastic.
Well, please visit us at vestedurbanfarms.com. We have great recipes and fun. We've got more great basil coming your way.
Well, fantastic. Schnuck shoppers, look for STL Fresh Basil in our produce section by the tomatoes. Vanessa, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll try it for you.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Watch out for my next installment. And as always, thank you for shopping at Schnucks.